Good morning, everybody. Well, it's going to be a big day on the homestead, Kaye here in Tennessee. And today is the Middle Tennessee plant swap at Henry Horton State Park. And I am headed there now to meet some new folks, one of which already knows who I am, so this is awesome. I'm going to take a couple of cardamom plants and just divide them there because I really had forgotten about it. Wasn't really prepared, but today's the big day when the kitties come home. So I've got a lot of driving to do, and I'll check in with you when we get to the park. Oh goodness, it's not even light. Ooh, and it's chilly. I should probably grab a jacket just in case. This will actually be the longest that I've ever driven this truck. I just use it for, running around, hauling stuff. Did you hear that? Okay, now I'm going to see you at the park. Okay, this is an amazing opportunity, and I'll give you a look at the plant swap in a moment. But I just met Tom Anderson, who is a self-taught permaculture gardener, and he gave me some plants and a squash. Look. This is elderberry, so now I'll have 4 of those. And he gave me this, which is he wrote it on here, a zucchino Pieta. Actually, I'm not sure if that's accurate, but we'll be talking to him. I can't even get it in the whole. Isn't that cool? I said I want the one with the hook on it so I can just hang it on my shelf, hang it over my shelf. Anyway, this is an amazing event. People are still coming in. Hundreds of people come from all over Tennessee. It's actually a private group. And this is held twice a year in a state park in Tennessee. I think it's changing parks. But at any rate, it's been going for 25 years. And I'm so excited to meet Tom Anderson and his wife Nancy. And I'm going to be going to his house and learn about permaculture. And hopefully I can get him to come to my house. So this is awesome. Are you mulching fruit trees with rhubarb leaves?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. We're going to see more of Tom at his place, but he is holding on to my contribution for this plant swap, which is the cardamom. He's going to divide that up. He's also giving me mulberry. That's like a bush or a tree, right? And this is a triple crown blackberry, and this is another elderberry. We're going to hear more from Tom from his house. Hi, Tom.
Hi there.
How long have you been gardening?
Been gardening for a long time, probably about 20 years.
20? And then is that when you started permaculture?
I started permaculture about 4 years ago.
Wow, no kidding. And what did you do for a living?
And I was in the grocery business, worked for Kroger for years and years. I farmed a lot too.
That's awesome. Well, we're looking forward to seeing your garden.
Glad to have you.
Okay, wonderful. And this is his wife Nancy. Say hi.
Hi, how are you?
And this is the neighbor named Sherry.
Hello.
And this is longtime plant swap lady Jan.
Hi.
Jan. And this is a really friendly group. What can you tell me about this plant swap group?
Oh, we just love them. I mean, we come and meet them twice a year, and get to see them and swap plants.
And people come from all over Tennessee?
Oh yes, and Kentucky and Alabama.
No kidding.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yes, we've got a couple over there ladies that are from Franklin, Kentucky.
Yeah.
They
And
come each
this
time.
is your first time, right?
It is my first
Did you bring a
time.
contribution?
I didn't because I was unable
Oh, that's
to
right.
this year, but I wanted to come and check things out, and Tom and Nancy are my neighbors.
That's
so
awesome.
This is just lots of fun.
Well, we're going to take a look around.
Okay, have
You'll meet a
fun.
lot of great people. with common interests. That's the main thing that brings us together.
Right,
Yeah.
right. Have you been farming all your life?
Well, I grew up on a farm, and but I got back into gardening and farming when I moved back to the farm. Of course, you know, like everybody, you kind of go somewhere else to make a living. But when I retired and got back, right back. You can never take the girl out of the farm, but you can't take the farm out of the girl.
Awesome.
That's Tommy. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
It's cardamom.
Cardamom.
You know the spice cardamom. Are you Indian?
Yeah.
So you
I
know
use it a lot.
cardamom.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You grow
Do-
them from the seed?
I bought a plant from a lady many years ago, and then I've been growing it in my California garden, and then I brought it over to my Tennessee garden.
So does it use cardamom?
It's never done that for me
Okay.
because I don't think I'm in the right climate. But what you can do is you can use the leaves. Do you cook with the leaves?
No, I get the cardamom.
The seed, and grind it up.
Yep.
Dry it and grind it. Oh wow, what are you gonna play?
I have that thing.
Do you?
Yeah, I bought it.
Hi, what's your name?
Steve Seifert.
Hey, are you a musician?
I try to be.
Steve, I would love to trade you for mother-in-law time.
She might like that. There she is.
Okay.
I thought you were gone.
Start.
Yeah, I'm pretty much
Oh
looking.
my goodness.
That's cool. Pretty much looking for the orange and yellow, just because I have a lot of the other ones. Like, I think
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Hi, what's your name?
Vicky Bean.
What?
Vicky Bean.
Vicky B?
Bean, B-E-A-N, like green bean.
Yeah, I can't see your thingy.
I'm sorry.
Vicky Bean, like green beans.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
My name's Kaye, and I have a YouTube channel called Late Bloomer.
Late bloomer.
Yeah, I've been on YouTube for 9 years,
Oh, goodness. Okay.
and I was in California for 8 of those, and now I'm back in Tennessee,
What part of California?
LA.
My grandkids live in San Francisco.
Oh
Three of
wow,
them. Yeah.
all 3 of them. Wow.
Yeah.
You got seeds and everything.
Yeah, I've got seeds and trying to find people.
Wow. What kind of seeds do you have? These are all flowers, right?
Okay.
Pretty much.
Flowers, yes. These are mostly ground covers. This right here is a hummingbird vine. I have cypress hummingbird vine over here. Those are called purple hearts.
Oh, they're so pretty.
And it's little cuttings, and they come back every year. They're perennials.
Do you keep these in the house?
No,
Oh,
no, they're outside.
I used to have this in California.
I mean,
Yeah.
I've got a corn plant that's 8 feet tall, and I've got
What?
and a philodendron from my grandmother that I have just cut and given people, and I've got to get rid of stuff.
Okay. All right. This is going in the late bloomer garden.
Okay.
Thank you very.
They like sun.
They like sun.
They
Okay,
like
cool.
sun.
This
Yeah.
is really pretty too.
That's
Are,
purple heart.
are these cuttings?
Yes.
Can I
but
just
they-
take one?
You can take as many as you want.
You pick me one out because I don't want to dump the whole thing over.
These are perennials. They come back every year. I mean, they're just now. I just put them in water the other day. I said I got to get them, and they hadn't started rooting yet. Why
Okay.
don't we take one with the flower?
Yes, let's do. Thank you. I don't have anything to put it in, but I can put it right
You want
there.
Another one?
Sure. Just put it right there, and then I'll grab some dirt from Tom.
The ones that's got flowers, I think, would be more apt to be. And they get so big. I mean, they really spread. It was one tiny.
Well, they'll
little-
die back in the winter. I just stick them in the ground. As soon as they root, I stick them in the ground.
Yeah,
Okay.
but I would wait till spring.
Wait to put them in the ground until spring?
Wait till you get good roots on them, I would think.
Okay. Leave them in the house until spring in a pot? Is that what you're saying?
I just wait till they get good roots on them, but I wouldn't plant them in outside right now.
Okay.
I mean, you could, but you got to mulch them up real good because they're going to die out.
Yeah, right.
You want to make sure they have a good root ball.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh goodness.
Noonday sun. But it grows beautifully.
I love that. Oh, look at all these beautiful seeds. Oh.
So, Tatiana kind of just
Crepe
the
Myrtle.
iris bulbs down here are free.
Okay.
The yellow iris. So it needs
Oh my
to go
gosh,
in a
there's so many
wetland.
things here.
It needs to go in wet, like a
Okay, so I just picked up pink crepe myrtle, which I'm going to plant near my Rose of Sharon if I ever get that planted. Wow.
And then this one is kind of lighter, bright neon colors.
Goat poop. Wow, you can bring anything to trade, evidently. Wow. Oh, that's beautiful.
They look familiar. I can't remember what they are.
Jan, is that one whole plant, that whole pretty thing?
Yeah, that's, what do they call it?
Coleus?
Yeah.
Coleus?
Coleus, yeah, Coleus. People say it different ways.
Yeah.
Gosh, that's pretty.
And, of course, you can root this as an indoor plant. But
This is indoor.
Yes.
In the wintertime. I mean,
Okay.
It grow outside, but it'll die back. But now you just, she brought these just to give away. Just get you a piece
Oh,
and
okay.
you can root it in water.
Oh, okay.
And if you're growing it indoors or wherever you're growing, if you keep pinching this off, it won't get so tall.
Hi, tell me your name.
Hi, I'm Kitty Davenport from Mount Pleasant, Tennessee,
You're in Mount Pleasant. That's awesome.
outside of Columbia. In fact, there's a barbecue festival this weekend.
Oh,
I'm down on the square
there is? Like tomorrow?
today,
And tomorrow?
yesterday and today.
Oh, I'm gonna miss it.
It's a great shopping area too.
So do you come to this every year?
This is my second time. That's my friend Becky.
Hi, Vicky.
We came together. And this is her first time. I'm
Oh,
excited.
your first time. This is my first time, but I only decided to come last night, and so I don't have. All I have is cardamom,
Okay.
and Tom has them over there.
Okay, well, we're
And-
going to get some cardamom.
Yeah,
So take strawberry. We have strawberries, thornless blackberries, dwarf coreopsis.
dwarf what?
Dwarf coreopsis.
And then these are Rebecca coneflowers all winter, and they'll multiply, and they have yellow flowers with brown centers.
Oh, are those yours?
Uh-huh.
I'd love one of those. Would you like cardamom? Because I have to leave, but Tom is in charge. They divide. Cardamom divides. So if you get one, it'll become more.
Okay.
In the winter, I think you're going to need to pull it in.
Do you want more than one of these?
Yeah, sure. Because this is echinacea, right?
No, well, no, it's a related. It's a coneflower, yes, but it's the Rebecca. It's yellow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you.
And this is a house plant. This is purple spiderwort.
I don't need any house plants.
This is purple spiderwort. This is sedum. This is a miniature Yupon holly. They're evergreens. Vinca vine. They'll live all winter, and then they just kind of
I got that all over.
spread. And
Yeah.
Mexican petunia. They'll spread.
This is ginger.
That's ginger.
Oh,
Purple
lovely.
oxalis.
Oh, I'd love a ginger.
So when you said cardamom, I figured you want ginger.
Oh, yeah. I was going to start it, but, that's going to take me a while.
Yeah.
Here.
Do you have a... Oh, great. You have a plastic bag. That was awesome. I didn't expect to get anything, but I did, of course, get a few things. And I'll go through all of that when I get back. But right now, I've got to make tracks to Kentucky to pick up my kitties. Hey, everybody. I made it home with the kitties. And they are digging it. Check it out. Does that feel good? Does that feel good, Tiger? They are so much bigger. They're completely full grown now. That's BJ. That's Tiger. That's Patch. This is the firewood. They haven't seen that. You're okay. There goes Spot. Hi, BJ. Hi. There's your mushrooms. She's gonna go around and eat all the mushrooms. I gotta get you guys some food. I know you're hungry. What's going on? What big kitties. Hi, Spot. Hi, baby. Did you miss me? I missed you. I missed you. I did. I'm so happy to see you. I'm happy to see you. Hi. What do you eat? Hi, Spot. Hi, pretty kitties. Hi, PJ. Hi. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video. They're back.